Hi everyone, it's Kat, and today we have a fun little unboxing with Samorga. So I wanted to do this to kind of show y'all what everything looks like and how you can organize within a Louis Vuitton on the go. So let me get the package. And what I like about Samorga is that you are able to find coupon codes. So I've been using LV Lover CC every time I buy an organizer, and I think it gives you 10 or 15% off. But let me open the box. I'm hoping the color I picked matches the bag this goes with. If not, it's not a big deal. So it comes with this cute little card. And then these products are 100% handmade, made in South Korea from 100% South Korea materials in a variety of thicknesses, and it has been treated to repel water, prevent static electricity, lint, and the processed color of this felt material does not stain the inside of the bag, which I know some people might be worried about with any bag organizer, and Samorga's does not do that. And then it also includes on this little card how to wash instructions, so in case you need to wash it, you know how. So here is my organizer. It has this cute sticker, and I got it in this kind of yellow orangey color. And oh yay, okay, I love it when these organizers come with the little bubble wrappy stuffing tissue here, because then that's an extra way to stuff your bag. And so let me take all this out. So as you can see, it's just a rectangle, and then it comes with a cup holder, which I think is super duper nice. And then it has 4 big pockets. So now let's put it inside the bag. Alright, so here is the bag. It is the Louis Vuitton On The Go GM in the I guess pebbled leather. I guess you could say it's empreinte, but as you can see, without the organizer, it is not very structured. It looks kind of sad. I was waiting to get this organizer so that I could stuff my bag. Right now, I just have some more of the little air paper, I think it's called. And so the inside is this kind of orangey russet microfiber, which is why I picked the yellow. It's the closest color available online to this bag. So, and I think also this bright color will make it nice to be able to see everything that is inside the bag. So let's just slide that in there. And of course, it is a perfect fit. And see, look, now that it's in there, it's already having much more structure than before, which is great. And then you can still access the side pockets and zipper pocket that come with the bag. But now let's go ahead and fill this up so I can show you what you can fit. So here I have an iPad Pro, which very easily fits in there. Here's a drink. There you go, you can see it in there. Obviously, you could fit your phone. And then I have my MacBook Pro, which I think is similar size to the iPad. So look, that also fits perfectly inside. Let's say you have a notebook or magazine. You could fit that inside as well. And then you have your makeup bags, wallet, whatever else you need, snacks. All of that can very easily fit inside. So as you can see, it's super duper organized now, and this bag is just so great for, you know, whether it's work or just casual everyday use. It's just a super duper well-made bag, beautifully crafted. I love it. So that is how the Samorga organizer looks inside the Louis Vuitton On The Go bag. Alright, I hope that you found this video super duper informative. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to check out Samorga for all your bag organizing needs, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye!